some other cheap fingerboard. I don't know what it's called, a SX or XS, I don't know. It did have a sticker thing on the bottom. I ripped it off. And now it's a blank. Here's my dog. And my World Industries turned it into a Mountain Dew. It's a Mountain Dew can cut out, and I glued it on there. It's so awesome. I got the idea from Mike Snyder and PABAW or something like that. Yeah, it's metal on the bottom. It's just a Tech Deck. It was World Industries, yeah. But it works good. I don't know how good it really works because I cut my finger. That's why that thing right there is on there. It's a band-aid with tape around it, so it'll stay on. But yeah, because I cut my finger when I was cutting the can. But that's pretty much a setup in my house. One of them. I have more. You've seen most of my ramps in my other videos. A size comparison with these. There's one. No, there's another one. Big spare. If I can get the camera right, I'll do a quick trick down it. This was a Mountain Dew board, and I cannot fingerboard with the crap with this Band-Aid. But